Hello and welcome back to Motic. So as a conclusion to the other videos that we have provided on our different levels of cameras, if you haven't watched them, please go back and watch them as well. I want to share one more step of cameras and camera solutions that we provide under the Moticam name. So all the different cameras that you have seen before, we have taken a few and made integrated solutions, as you can see here. So for example, we have a wireless connection tablet camera. This is the BTI range, where we have the wireless cameras that you've seen before connected with an integrated tablet holder. So this tablet could be an iOS device, could be an Android device, or you can buy it directly as a set. And it runs the Motic Connect wirelessly. So whatever it is I can see down here, I can share the image directly onto the microscope using Motic Connect onto the tablet. I can capture, annotate, share the image out. So this makes the whole microscope and turns it into a digital platform on a very small footprint. You don't need to place the tablet or the computer next to valuable desk space. Over here, we have a similar solution, but based on the HDMI camera. So in this case, we have a 1080. This is the 1080 BMH, which has a HDMI or an HD screen provided on the top. As you know from the previous videos, the 1080 and the 4000 series, they have onboard software. So with a wireless mouse that I've connected directly to the back of the camera, I'm in control without having to use a computer of capturing, measuring after calibration, and then sharing onto the micro SD card, or taking the micro SD card and taking it out and using it somewhere else. So again, this is a very slim platform solution where you can take the image straight out of the microscope, and instead of having to look at the eyepieces, you look at a live image on the screen. Now, over here, we have a similar solution for an integrated BA series in this case, where we have the INT versions. So the same type of camera that you have here in the 1080 BMH is now integrated, and because this is an infinity type optical system, we can put it in between the head and the body of the microscope. So again, without losing any image quality, you still have access to the eyepiece, but you already also have access to the live image on the screen. So this is very, very easy to use. And because you have the integrated software on board the camera, again, you don't need to use a microscope. So these are the three different tablet type solutions that Motic also offers. And we are very lucky to be able to do so, to really give a solution targeted to specifically the needs of the end users, because we are making the microscopes, we're making the optics, we're making the cameras and the software as an integrated solution. If you have any questions, as usual, or need more information, as usual, please feel free to contact any Motic dealer or Motic directly at any time.